Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Dr. Ayesha Amin from Pakistan. Today I'm going to share my journey of MRCP Part 2 preparation, that too in a span of 2 months and 10 days. First of all, I'm really thankful to Almighty Allah for bestowing upon me His blessing and sense of accomplishment. And then I would really like to thank Dr. Ahad and the entire team of MRCP Syndrome who were the cornerstone of my success. I roughly had 2 months and 10 days to prepare for the exam, and after booking May diet, I contacted Dr. Ahad on recommendation of a friend. I told him about my status of preparation, upon which he recommended me his crash course, which included Pearl Notes, key concepts of the past medicine, and MADBOX. Along with it, he also gave me access to the radiology and the pictorials section. So I started my preparation with the Pearl Notes and the key concept. I used to watch video of a single unit in detail and then attempt PASTEST QBank. If I was left with some time, I used to a few questions of past medicine, and then I used to watch a radiology section of the same unit. So in this way, I was able to complete PASTEST almost 80% and past medicine almost 30%. Just I was really short of time. So in the last 15 days, I revised Pearl Notes and MADBOX, especially during the phase of exhaustion. So what I used to do was I used to plug in earbuds and listen to the Dr. Ahad's lectures repeatedly. And moreover, I just cannot emphasize the importance of the radiology section of Dr. Ahad's course. He has explained each and everything wonderfully, and it has saved me so much time. Besides Sarovar images, I did not go through any other pictorial source. Apart from the academic support, Dr. Ahad was readily available to sort out each and every query, and he used to address all my questions. And especially in days when I was just mentally exhausted and tired, he has been a great moral support as well. So I would really like to recommend those candidates who have planned to take a coming exam of MRCP2. MRCP Syndrome is just the platform where everything has been compiled beautifully and precisely. So I wish the best of luck to all the candidates who are ready to take this exam, and I'm really thankful to Almighty Allah and then Dr. Ahad for making this journey very easy for me. Thank you.